Hello everyone. Are you curious about the Waterfall Lifecycle model? Then you come to the right place. Let's head on. The Waterfall Lifecycle consists of 6 involved phases. In the upper half, the big 3 are requirements gathering, design, and implementation. In the lower half, the big 3 are the testing, deployment, and maintenance. So the first and foremost is the requirements gathering phase. This is where we lay the seed or foundation to figure out what the software must be capable of. How can the individual or team's unique strengths be leveraged to produce the best software, as well as figuring out what should be shown within the developer space versus what should be shown to the user. Different ways to go about achieving this is by conducting open-ended or closed-ended surveys and questionnaires, telephone calls, one-on-one meetings, market research, and many more. The second phase, design, builds upon the previous phase by studying the gathered requirements closely. This is where the flowcharts are created, the mock-up documentation is created, as well as the overall software architecture. Now this is where the real fun begins. The implementation. This is where you figure out your coding tools, your data storage options, as well as any hardware you would need for building the software for the end customer. It is comparable to any real-world system, whether it's running a restaurant or creating a movie for the masses. You gotta have your toolkit ready. Yes, we've finished the implementation. But is that the final product? Not at all. This is where testing comes into play. Testing is where certain users from the public or insiders use the software and give feedback for software improvement. If you've ever seen any watermarks of pre-release software or CDs of beta software, that's basically testing at play. Now, on to deployment. The software has been coded, it has been rigorously tested, and it's ready for the public to use. Traditionally, this was done through USBs or CDs, but now there are more options as Docker, AWS, or version control suites. Now on to maintenance. Just because we shipped the final product, that does not translate it to being the final draft. We had to incorporate bug fixes, add new features, or add new functionality altogether to promote the best user experience with the times. If you ever updated WhatsApp on your iPhone or been told to update your operating system, that's basically maintenance going on at play. So that's the waterfall lifecycle model.